My dear students, I wish you all convivial welcome. In this video, I show you how to write diary. The topic is diary entry. Students, before we start how to write diary, we must know what is the definition of diary entry. A diary entry is a short composition. It is a record of writer's feelings, thought, or activities during the course of a particular day. After that, I make you clear about features of a diary entry. One number is it is written in informal and creative language. Second thing is it is always written in the first person and in the past tense as it is a record. Next, it usually starts with the day of the week, date, and time, usually at the end of the day at the top left corner. Next point, this may be followed by a greeting similar to Dear Diary. And last one is it ends with the writer writing his or her first name. Okay, now with the help of question, I will make you sure that how to write a diary. Here question is you are Alka Anand of ADSPM School Bhagalpur. You celebrated your 14th birthday with a lot of pomp and show with your family, friends, and relatives. Describe the happy experience in your personal diary in 100 150 words. Listen, first we have to write in left side address Bhagalpur, 12th May 2021, Wednesday 7 p.m. as I have written. After that, we have to leave one line and then we have to write Dear Diary. You may give any familiar name, Dear Kitty, Dear Pretty, whatever you want. After that, we have to leave one line more and then we start. They say that the 14th year is an important stage in the life of a girl, boy. I have written girl and boy both because here question is related to Alka and Anand. If you are boy, then you have to write Anand. If you are girl, then you have to write Alka. So you may choose girl and boy. Now you are no more taken to be a child but start attracting attention and importance from your seniors. My family had decided to celebrate my 14th birthday in grand style. Preparations started a week before. All the relatives, neighbors, my friends, and classmates were invited. My mother and younger sister were particularly busy and excited. The huge living room was tastefully decorated with lights and flowers. By 6 p.m., most of the guests had arrived. The cake ceremony started with the chanting of Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Alka Anand. The ceremonial cake was cut. It was followed by singing and dancing. I really felt importance of grown up. It was quite late when the dinner was served. The celebration continued till midnight. Wonderful gifts, good wishes, and the festive mood kept me in high spirit and elated. Now, after we have to leave one line and we have to write Alka Anand. If you are girl, then you have to write Alka, and if you are boy, then you have to write Anand. Now, next question I am giving you. You are Kavya Kavish of class 9. You recently met a famous television personality. Make a diary entry what you learned from the meeting and also state how you felt. 100 to 150 words. We have to start, we have to write Monday 10th, whatever day you have to write, May 2021, 10:30 p.m. After that we have to leave one line, then we have to write dear diary. After that once again we have to leave a line. Today I want to share with you about one of the most inspirational meetings of my life. Can you guess who I met with? It was none other than the host of Aaj Tak News channel, Anjana Kashyap. I was so happy to discover that I was the winner of the lucky draw of the reality show and had got the opportunity to meet with her. She spoke to me for a long time and gave me a lot of advice for life. I felt really inspired when she shared her journey to fame and the hardships she had gone through. I was amazed to see how calm and composed as a person she was. I wish I'm able to acquire all the qualities possessed by her. After this, we have to leave one line and we have to write Kavya Kavis. Related to examination, students, I am giving you some questions, some exercise for practice. Now I am giving you first question is you spent a part of your summer vacation in your village. You found that the life in village is more close to nature, which we miss in cities. You are now back home and write a diary page about your stay in your village and about your feelings in about 120 words. Second question is while coming home from school, you were trying to cross the road at a busy traffic point. Suddenly, you observed an old man trying to cross the road. You felt sorry for him and helped him out. Your feelings, you have to enter your feelings about the old man and his situation in your diary about 120 words. Third question is you are Arpita of class 9. You were the anchor for the annual day function at your school today. Make a diary entry in 100 to 150 words sharing your experience and feelings. You can use the following clues. Sometimes students in examination some points and clues will be written, and with the help of these guidelines you may write this. Anchor point is given went well, words of advice, city, mayor, chief guest, impressed everyone, influential person, wonderful day. With the help of these clues you have to write. Okay, well students, I have given you definition of diary entry, features of a diary entry, and I have given you two examples how to write diary, and after that I have given you three questions for practice. If you are practicing this and you are looking whatever I have given you in proper way, then you must be able to understand. Thank you.